Hello guys, welcome back to Homeopathic Trios. Today in this video we are going to discuss a topic about which we are getting many requests about. So that is how to write a Materia Medica paper or answers in Materia Medica exams. So guys, today we are going to discuss the same topic, and also there is a special announcement for you all at the end of this video. So guys, please do watch this video till the end, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and help us reach 1100 subscribers with this video. So now, in our university exams, we usually get questions for 20 marks, 10 marks, 5 marks and 2 marks. Let's have a look at the way of writing these answers in detail. So first, let's have a look at the 20 marker questions. Usually for 20 marks, in a second year university exam, we usually get one compulsory question on the theoretical aspect of Materia Medica, which includes the scopes, the limitation, the sources, the types and ways to study Materia Medica. So for second yearites, this question is definitely worth attempting and quite scoring, because as a second year student, we are not so familiar with the drug pictures, and so it's better to attempt these questions. But in the third and the fourth year exams, the drug pictures are quite scoring as compared to the group symptoms. So now let's see what should be a structure or how to write a drug picture answer in your exam. Now, the answer for your drug picture should be at least 5 to 7 pages in length and should be kept up to the point to score well. The drug picture answer should have following presentation or headings. The very first heading is the introduction, which includes the common name of the remedy, the family name, the kingdom to which it belongs, or the part of the plant or animal used for preparing the drug, or the prover of that drug, etc. The next comes the sphere of action of that drug. This should include the organs on which the drug acts best, and the action of which you could explain in the particular section of the answer. The next is the constitutional features of the person or of that remedy, which should include the physical features, the temperament and diathesis, the thermal modality, and at last the miasm to which the remedy belongs predominantly. The next is the guiding symptoms. Now this includes, or rather should include, at least 7 to 8 key points of that remedy. This should include those key points which are present only in that remedy or which characterize that remedy. So books like Allen's Keynotes can help you to get these symptoms. Now the guiding symptoms should be followed by the mind of the remedy. This should include or should be able to convey the exact disposition, the emotional attributes or the intellectual qualities of that remedy. Also, it should not be too vast and should contain minimum of 5 to 6 points and maximum of 8 to 10 points. And at last, you should include the particulars of that drug. At least 3 to 4 spheres of action of that drug along with the action of that drug should be explained, preferably in an LSMC format, that is the location, sensation, modalities and concomitant format. Now next, let's have a look at the 10 marker questions. Now as a second yearite, there is one compulsory question from the theory section and one or two questions from the mental, child or female symptoms of few important drugs such as calcareca, pulsatilla, etc. And as a third year or a fourth year student, compare and contrast questions become quite important. Now they include beginning the answer with few similar symptoms and then differentiating the two drugs on the similar lines that is asked in the exam or that is asked in the question given. For example, compare and contrast injury of arnica and hypericum, etc. Now a compare and contrast answer should ideally contain at least 10 to 12 points, out of which around 3 to 4 should be of similar points and around 7 to 8 will be of differentiating points. And any 10 marker question should ideally be at least 2 to 3 pages in length. The next comes the 5 markers. Now in all the 3 years, the scope of range of questions to be asked is too vast in the 5 marker questions. But the answers to these questions should be written at a length of about 1 or 1.5 page, and also it should be preferably written in the LSMC format so that the answer remains up to the point and also appears clean and neat in presentation. And finally come the 2 marker questions. Now for 2 marks, the questions which are asked in the exams are also extremely vast and the range is too vast. But around 4 to 6 questions of the 10 questions mostly are asked on the Nash's trio of remedies, or common name of some remedy, or family name of some remedy, or the prover of some remedy, or the characteristic action or symptom of a particular drug, etc. And now finally we would like to discuss few important tips to write the paper. The first one is that the presentation of the paper should be neat and clean. The student should begin each question on new fresh page. The next important tip is writing the few similar remedies which cover that particular symptoms in brackets, etc. Now this gives brownie points to you and makes it clear to the examiner that the student definitely has a good knowledge of the subject. Now it is usually a misconception that writing lengthy answers in the paper of Materia Medica can fetch you good marks, but it is not at all true, and the answers should be kept up to the point only in writing any of the Materia Medica papers. Now, highlighting the important points or the key points of the answer by underlining them can also help you a lot in your exams. The examiner finds it very easy to check such papers and thus ends up being happy and gets a good impression of the student as well as of the paper. So this was all we could have told you regarding writing the Materia Medica paper. And guys, we would like to announce that very soon we are beginning with the Study with Trios group for Materia Medica on the Telegram app, wherein you could get or avail all the notes of many important topics from your exam point of view, and also you can solve all your doubts there. We would like to see all of you in that group, and so if you wish to join, please DM us on Instagram, and the link of our Instagram page is available in the description box below, and also you will get all the details about that in a short period of time on our Instagram page. So guys, this was all for today. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to stay updated for